If you're neck deep in a battle royale with your squad, communication is key. Without a headset, you're a dead set noob. You need the Razer Kraken V3 HyperSense wired USB gaming headset. We're Review to You. We review the latest and greatest products, and when we're done, we give them away free to one lucky subscriber. We'll let you know at the end of this video how you can easily win this product. When it comes to high-end gaming gear, Razer has you covered for almost everything. We've reviewed their gaming keyboard, Thunderbolt dock, and now it's time for their Kraken V3 headset. Specs and features. Built for true immersive gaming, the Razer Kraken V3 has some pretty impressive specs. A steel-reinforced headband will prevent bending and snapping when you gotta log off in a hurry. Luckily, the cushioned underside makes gaming comfortable. The ear cups are made out of a hybrid leatherette and memory foam cushion that sits snugly over the ears without overheating or getting sweaty. Controls allow you to adjust the volume, mic levels, and haptic feedback. That's right, I said haptic feedback. Through their trademarked HyperSense technology, these headphones literally vibrate your head, so you can feel every gunshot. They're also equipped with 3-part titanium drivers to provide crystal clear and spatial depth, courtesy of THX 7.1 surround sound. A detachable Razer HyperClear cardioid mic makes sure to only pick up your voice and not the sound of the game. And of course, Razer wouldn't be complete without 16.8 million different LED colors, syncing seamlessly across all devices and all games. So what do we like about the Razer Kraken V3 HyperSense wired USB gaming headset? The sound quality is as good as any high-end music headphones, and the 7.1 spatial audio really adds an extra level to any gaming experience. And after a long gaming session, they're just as comfortable as wearing nothing at all. So what's the downside? The haptic feedback can get a little numbing in games that aren't optimized for that kind of device. But in fairness, you can turn the feature off if it's not working properly. So what are other people saying about the Razer Kraken V3 HyperSense wired USB gaming headset? Unity Dines writes, this pair of headphones has great performance in-game with immersive sound that's really high quality, as well as a clear mic. Richard agrees, saying the sound quality of the Kraken V3 is pretty impressive. More clarity and flexibility in how you can adjust bass, voice normalization, etc. through equalizer, which is much better than my previous 2019 Kraken headset, along with the fact that the V3 is equipped with spatial features, which is on God useful for games like CSGO or Valorant. So, what's the verdict? A great addition to your gaming setup, even if you're not collecting the full set of Razer gear. The Kraken V3 with HyperSense will make any gaming session an absolute adventure. We give them a rating of 4.5 out of 5 stars. And the Razer Kraken V3 HyperSense wired USB gaming headset could be yours. We'll be giving ours away to one lucky subscriber. To be in the drawing to win our Razer Kraken V3 HyperSense wired USB gaming headset, the rules are very simple. Just make sure you subscribe to the channel, like this video, and then leave a comment in this video with the hidden hashtag from today's review. That's it. I hope you were paying attention, but just in case you missed it the first time, you can always go back and watch again. We'll then select a subscriber at random and announce the winner exactly a week from now. Good luck. If you liked what you saw today and you can't wait to see if you've won, we've included our purchase link in the description below. This has been Review to You, where we review and give to you for free. From Matt and Gary, see you guys next time.